some goodies over there. You see it? That guy came out empty-handed. That's not a good sign. Uh-oh. All right. Finally found the sign in the garage sale. It's right there. I bought knives off this guy. Let's see what he has today. Back again. Wow, what a nice day, huh? Big time. Look at that, you already had it for me ready to go.
I didn't put it on the table, I was hoping you'd stop by.
I forgot the name of this model.
Zero tolerance.
That's what it is, yeah, I remember these.
Yeah.
It's a little older. These are cool as fuck.
Yeah, I've never
carried
carried
with
that.
assist, huh? Yeah, I like that.
I've never carried it.
No, why not?
I don't know, I just haven't. I bought it at Smoky Mountain Knife Works in Tennessee.
Oh, wow. You went to Tennessee, huh?
Yeah, I go there all the time.
Yeah?
Yeah, my parents have a cabin in Pigeon Forge, and they rent it out on Airbnb.
Oh, shit.
We go up there like during like Thanksgiving.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No shit. Nice. Good for you. Hello. I already have one.
Ladder.
Have that.
Chair and table.
I have everything. I'm looking for something that catches my eye. I might grab that DVD rack for the right price. That I need.
What's the right price?
I don't know. You tell me.
I don't know, honestly. Ken? It's the hardest thing pricing.
It is. It's tough. Yeah. Oh.
Jack?
Pricing is horrible, right?
Yeah. Howdy.
How you doing?
Good, how are you, George?
What do you ask for the ladder?
25? Fiberglass, right?
Yeah.
20?
Well, I'll take it for 20.
Okay.
That's a
Ooh.
deal. I don't have any cash on me. Can we set it?
What's this one? HDMI.
Like a little hub.
Oh, okay. That's all it is. Yeah. Okay.
I had to look. It's not mine.
Yeah.
So nothing particular, you just browse?
Yeah, I don't know.
I was gonna say, if there's something particular, I might can figure out where to
Gotcha. Yeah. All right, that's it for today. We're gonna go back to the shop and I'll share with you guys what we ended up finding. All right, back in the shop. Set that off to the side. Not that many items, but there's a few. I'll start over here. This chainsaw. Not sure if it works or not. So yeah, I believe this is like a 1970s model. I could be wrong, but what does that say? McCulloch. So chainsaw. Up here, shirt. Only reason I grabbed it was because of this right here. Blood center. So shout out to them. Craig jig. I had some rust, which still looks like this rust, but I cleaned it up really good. This whole shaft right here was full of rust, including the bit. So cleaned her up. She's ready to rock and roll and off to a new home. Speaking of that, if anyone's interested in any of this gear, hit me up on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time at Full Throttle. Over here, I got this little toy. Not sure where I grabbed it, but that was pretty cool. Yeah, shout out to him. I think it's what, Yoda. It's Baby or something. Shout out to the ear piercing kit. Not sure why I grabbed it, but did that as well. Man, I'm not sure why I grabbed anything, to tell you the truth. Let me zoom you out a bit. Shoot. Alright, that's better, huh? Here, a wood burning kit. Did I say it right? I think so. So here's all kinds of bits. You can put it on here. And there's two different sections or two different channels. Yeah, that's pretty wild, huh? Old school typewriting book. Opens up this way. See if I see a date. Yeah. I don't see it, but as you can see, it's a really nice book. MTX car amplifier. Was told that it could work, could not work. So if it is broken, I will repair it. Over here, pewter. This is all pewter. Man, it's heavy. And there's all kinds of just little figures and little knickknacks. I don't know. I haven't gone through it, so I don't know what's in there except for the top things. Like these two here. Oh, there's a glass piece in here, see that? Did I miss anything? Okay, over here to the right, a box of dominoes. I don't know if this is from China or is it from Japan. It's either one. It says, what is that? I think it's China. I don't know. Some remotes. These are really beat. Look at that. But usually I grab these for parts. And I'll make one really good one. Another controller. This is always good to bundle with things, as sometimes I get Super Nintendos and there's only one controller or no controllers, so there we go. Another thing that I'm not sure why I bought it, and it's a case for my phone. I'm not even going to use it, so no. ZT Tolerance. Man, how cool is that? At a yard sale. Man, I told you, that guy is awesome. Did I say it before? But I purchased a few knives off of him. He actually was holding this knife for me. How cool is that? He didn't put it on the table, and I was very surprised. And the model is right over there. I know he said Zero Tolerance. That's the company, but there's a model. It's not zooming in, but anyways, what does it say? 0770CF. I've got two more here. This was also from him. Swiss Army knife. It needs work, as you can see. Possibly do a future refurbish on it. And another possible refurbish. What's this one? Kershaw. The blade is pretty messed up. Cheap knife. It's like a $20 knife, new. At least it's scented. Well, not really. Take it back. No scented. But it's solid. Anyways, that's all I have. Man. Look at this thing. Every noise you make, it goes off. Watch this. See what I'm saying? Anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys could do me a favor, hit the like button or the dislike. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite find. Also, if you can share, then you must care. If not, don't worry about it. I won't tie you up in a knot. Take care.